For the next 4 weeks, I'll be traveling by myself through India.
Head to the red fort. Traffic is thick.
Starting in North India, I'll spend some time in Delhi and Agra before heading east to the spiritual cities of Bodh Gaya and Varanasi. Then it's south to the jungle and beaches of Goa, where I'll be filming a documentary about an Indian beekeeper. And dancing in the new year on the beach. Finally, I'll get a little bit off the beaten track to spend a few days in the city of Aurangabad, exploring the nearby Ajanta and Ellora caves, before ending my trip in the amazing city of Mumbai.
Alright, so heading to Paharganj, the backpackers area, but I really don't know where I'm going here.
Best guy
Kuru
for
Kuru and Khan.
Kuru and Khan,
That's right.
my friend.
Very strong.
Everybody's